it's Friday. This is Friday. Now, what is the problem with your PC, Denise?
I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it.
It doesn't help. I need to know exactly what's...
I don't know. I can't open my things now. If I can just open it.
No, you're messing with the PC, man.
But I just want to send this with me.
Can I close that and let's see?
Wait, I just want to save my things. It used to be 2 balls in it. Since you done.
Going to my computer? Oh, what? You're making nonsense here. Yeah.
Jade. Ek probeer Paulie, moet jy vir my